Hi guys, I made Charlie a raincoat because it's supposed to rain here tomorrow, and I wanted to share how I did it because it wasn't really hard at all, and I know a lot of you have dogs, so if you have any questions on how I did it, let me know, and have a happy rainy day. I'm going to show you how to make a raincoat, a no-sew raincoat for your dog. You're gonna need your dog because you're gonna need to know this length of your dog, and you're gonna need to add 2 inches to that length. Then you're gonna need to know around his face how long that is. You're gonna need to go to arts and crafts store. I went to Michael's and buy this plastic that people used to put on their furniture. I don't know, maybe still people do, but on their furniture. I got the thinnest one. The thinnest one was $2.99 a yard. I got 2 yards, but I really only needed 1 yard. You're gonna need stick-on Velcro. This one came with 4 pairs of pieces, like the pieces that stick together, 4 of them. And you're gonna need scissors, a marker, and a jacket that already fits around your animal so you know that you're making it big enough. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna lay out this plastic out. Now just pretend that this isn't cut yet, because that way you'll know how to make it. So if we fold back this hoodie, I left the paper on so it's easy to see the plastic part. If you fold back this hoodie, and this hoodie fits my dog like short, so I wanted to cover his tail, so I added about 2 inches to the length. So you're gonna go from neck to tail and add more because you want it to repel or cover the rain. And then you're gonna make 1 big circle. Just make the whole circle to make it easier for yourself. And then cut out. This has to be big enough for your dog's neck. So measure around your dog's neck and make a circle like that, and then just make an exit route. It's like the shape of a vase or like a upside down head. Then what you do is you cut out an eyeball. The length from here to here is from under his chin over his head to under his chin. There's a line here because this line is going to be folded so that he can look up and down. This is going to be where his nose is. This is going to be there, and this is going to fold and be right there. Okay? And just make sure that from here to here, it covers his nose and the back of his neck. I use some treats to get my dog to sit still. All right, so once you've made your circle, I'm going to remove this so that you can see. I already attached the hoodie. So your first step is that one. You're gonna put on the underside, you're gonna put the abrasive side. On the top side, you're gonna put the soft side so that you can stick them together. Then the eyeball shape, you're gonna stick that there, and this will go around your dog's face like this. See? It's pretty easy. That's all you need to do. Now let me put it on him, and then you can see what I'm doing. My model, you'll see that this drapes off of them pretty well. See, so when the rain comes, it's not gonna get him. It gets pretty close to the floor, but it's not actually touching the floor. Here is the Velcro from the top. This is the underneath one from the neck. And this is the one that holds the hood to the body of, and he can walk really well in it. If I can get him to walk. Come. See? He walks fine. So that is my no-sew dog raincoat. It's supposed to rain here tomorrow, so I'll test it out and I'll post a video about it. If you have any questions or you want to show me how yours turns out, please comment or let me know. Thank you for watching.